Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I kind of retract my statement. I think theirs actually looks better than what I was thinking. It's, I don't know, half one way or uh, you could play around with this and maybe make it better. I thought a circle would be the best. So I measured the outside of a circle. And like I always do, I always make a copy. I'm going to rotate this guy 45 degrees or 90 degrees, I'm sorry, to I just find it's easier to work on something like this. So we're going to left click, right click, and I am going to take away this outside just by taking the parallel 2-point line and just kind of closing this off. And then when I get my virtual segment delete key, I can just delete this and have this out of the way so I don't have to worry with it. And then I measured the outside of this circle, parallel dimension tool, trying to get it about the apex of the circle, and I'm a little bit off, so I'm going to go a little bit more of that. I got 1.78 would be pretty good. So take a circle, an ellipse, hold down the control button. With your ratio lock, make it 1.76. And then we want a 1/4 inch line, so we're going to contour to the inside 1/4 inch. I'm going to take away these cut lines, and I'm going to take my new shape. I'm actually going to break my contour apart and grab both these and put it right there to that quadrant. And like I said, I retract my statement. I think theirs looks pretty good now. I'm messing up here. What I'm trying to do is zoom in. Then take your virtual segment delete key and delete these extra lines. It's just, and maybe somebody will chime in how to make it look better. But then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in. And it's halfway one or the other, the way you want it to look. Like I said, I like this better now, but I wish it was more like a straight on shot, and that maybe could be worked out to maybe just pre-form that or form it by ear. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.